So, this is my code. The first two lines up here is include IO stream and IO manip. These two are basically some standard files which I will be using later in the program. Using namespace std here, third line, is basically all the elements of the standard C++ library I include here. Then we have my main function here, void main, and inside this function I have first declared a number of variables of different data types, and on the right side of the equal sign I've then stored some different values all the way down here, as you can see, and each of these values are either the biggest or the smallest number possible to store inside each of these data types. Down here we have some code, and this is cout determines that all this should be printed out in the screen. And first we have the values here inside two, I don't know what these are called, but inside these two, which is simply just printing out the text the value is. Then this means that it should print out some more, and I'm printing out underscore a, which is a variable I have made up here. Then I print out some more here, which is again text in byte, that is, and then I use sizeof, which will tell me how much these different values is in bytes. And I'm doing it for underscore a, underscore big A, underscore b, underscore b, big B, etc, etc. And then in the end I have some more text in bits, that is. And then I'm using the same sizeof here, but I'm multiplied with 8, because there is 8 bits in 1 byte. So down to the typecasting. Here's a very simple way to typecast. I declare an integer called underscore f. Then I'm telling it that underscore f should be equal to underscore b, which I have up here, underscore b, which is a char. And then it's typecasting. Here's another way. I am declaring an integer called the number 1 int, and inside that I'm putting 5544, which is, or in other words, 5544. Then I'm using the static cast, which will then typecast it into double of what it says here, the number 1 int, which is being declared here. Then we have here, I'm declaring a short integer called the number 2 int, and inside I store 2000. Then here I'm making another integer called the number 3 int. And down here I said that number 3 int should be equal to integer number 2 int. That's the third way of typecast. Now, I included this IO manip. I will use this here. Cout again for printing out in the screen. What I will print out by these two. Some text. Here's a variable with no less than 15 digits. Again, just text. Then I will print out some more, and then I'm using the set precision 15, which will give me no less than 15 characters of my variable underscore big C, and then end line, which I also use up here. End line simply just makes a new line for the new, otherwise it would just be out in one. So, and at the end here, cin.get simply makes the program need a click, a mouse click or a keyboard click before it executes. Yes, let's see what happens when we run it. Okay, we can see here everything I've made here. The value is, let me get that out again here. The value is, and I have underscore a, which is up here, minus 177, and oh, it was wrong. There we go. Whoop, there we go. and it simply prints out everything I wanted to print out. And we can see here 1.123356789987765, which is 15 digits. So this is the program running, and this is the code behind it. Thank you very much.